If you're seeing Epic Games error LS-0003, install failed or could not create directory, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue usually happens when the launcher doesn't have the right permissions, the web cache gets corrupted, or your PC is running low on storage space. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's start with the simplest and most important fix: running Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop or in your start menu. Right-click it and then choose Run this program as an administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to create folders and install games properly. If the error was caused by a permissions issue, this alone may fix it right away. If you still see the error, the next step is to clear the Epic Games web cache. Before doing anything else, make sure the Epic Games launcher is fully closed. Check your system tray too, because sometimes the launcher is still running in the background. Once it's completely closed, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Now type %localappdata% and press enter. This will take you into your local app data folder. From here, open the Epic Games Launcher folder, then open the saved folder. Inside this folder, look for the Webcache folder. Delete the Webcache folder completely. Don't worry, the launcher will recreate it automatically the next time you open it. Clearing this cache often fixes corrupted data that can trigger install failed errors. After deleting the folder, restart your computer. A full restart helps make sure the old cache is fully cleared and any background launcher processes are reset. Once your computer turns back on, try opening Epic Games Launcher again, preferably as administrator, and see if the error is gone. If the issue is still happening, the next thing to check is your disk space. The LS-0003 error can appear if Epic Games cannot create a directory because your drive is too full or the install location doesn't have enough free space. Open File Explorer, check the drive where you're trying to install the game, and make sure you have enough room for the download plus extra space for temporary files. If needed, free up some storage by deleting unused files, emptying the recycle bin, or moving large files to another drive. In many cases, combining these three steps, running the launcher as administrator, deleting the web cache folder, and confirming you have enough disk space, will fully resolve the LS-0003 install failed error. If you're still having trouble after that, double check that the install folder path is valid and that Windows security settings aren't blocking Epic Games Launcher from writing files. But for most users, the fix is much simpler than that. So to recap, run Epic Games Launcher as administrator, fully close the launcher, press Windows plus R, open %localappdata%, go into Epic Games Launcher, then saved, delete the web cache folder, restart your PC, and make sure you have enough disk space. That's it. You should now be ready to launch Epic Games and continue your installation without the LS-0003 error. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting tutorials.